Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to clear the cache files for applications in your iPhone. Now when you go on using the applications in your iPhone, the application will save datas or it will save cache files, and if the space of the cache files will be too big, then later on when you use the application there can be a lag in the application. So in that case you need to clear the cache files for the application. But at first let us see how much of cache files is stored by the applications in the iPhone. For that one we will go to settings here. We will go to general, iPhone storage. We will just wait for a few seconds. Now suppose if you want to know how much of cache files is stored by an application such as Facebook, I will select it. You can see the documents and data, which is 152.4 MB. That means this is the amount of cache files which is stored by the application. Now it's better to remove the cache files for applications whose document and data size is more than 500 MB. But for this illustration, if I want to remove the cache files for this Facebook app, then the only way to do it in iPhone is to delete the app completely and then reinstall it again. Now let me tell you that if you don't know the password of your Facebook account, and if you had saved it previously so that you don't need to put the password, then it is better not to delete the application. Similarly, if you have WhatsApp account, then it's better not to uninstall the WhatsApp application unless you back up the application. Now if I want to remove the cache files, what I will do, I will select delete app. Now once the app is deleted, what I will do is I will again go back to the App Store, and then I have to reinstall the application. So I will go to App Store here. I will look for application Facebook and I will install this application. So once the application is installed, what I will do is I will again go back to settings here. I will go back to general, iPhone storage, and let me wait for a few seconds. I will go back and I will open Facebook app. Now if you see, the document and data size is only 29 kilobyte. Before it was 152 kilobyte. So this is how you will remove the cache files for an application in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.